This video demonstrates user authorization under management. User authorization consists of a list of all the tiles ERP features available to each user. The administrator can provide or revoke access to any tiles ERP feature by ticking each checkbox or selecting all through Enable/Disable All checkbox. For example, if the administrator wants to disable the user's access to view sales, he will select the user's ID from the drop-down menu. Deselect Allow user to view sales. Save the changes. The user must log out and log in again for the changes to take effect. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.